This is a MBTA Blue Line wooden model train. The Blue Line is a rapid transit line in the Greater Boston metropolitan area, one of 4 rapid transit lines operated by the Massachusetts Bay Transportation Authority, MBTA. It runs from Bowdoin Station in downtown Boston under Boston Harbour to East Boston and Revere on the inner North Shore, where it terminates at Wonderland. The stop at Airport Station, by way of a free shuttle bus, is one of 2 rapid transit connections to Logan International Airport. In 1967, during a system-wide rebranding, the line was assigned the blue color because it passes under the Boston Harbour. With an end-to-end travel time of less than 20 minutes, the Blue Line is the shortest of Boston's heavy rail lines, and the only line to have both third rail and overhead catenary sections. The East Boston Tunnel was built as a streetcar tunnel in 1904 with Howard Carson as chief engineer. After an extension to Bowdoin in 1916, it was converted to heavy rail metro rolling stock in 1924. In 1952 and 1954 the line was extended along the former route of the Boston, Revere Beach, and Lynn Railroad, in a project intended to reach Lynn, but ultimately cut short to Wonderland. Further extensions to Lynn and Charles MGH downtown are long planned, but not yet funded. From approximately 1998 to 2011, the MBTA made most Blue Line stations fully accessible as part of a larger effort to accommodate 6-car trains on the line. As of 2018, the only station in service on the Blue Line, which is not fully accessible, is the downtown Boston terminus Bowdoin. Like the Orange Line and Red Line, the Blue Line tracks are standard gauge heavy rail. The Blue Line fleet consists of 94,700 series cars, 47 pairs, with stainless steel bodies from Siemens, with each car 48 feet, 15 m, long and 9 feet 3 inches, 2.82 m, wide, with 2 pairs of doors per side. Uniquely among MBTA rolling stock, Blue Line cars use both third rail power and pantograph current pickup from overhead catenary wires. The overhead pantograph was implemented to avoid third rail icing that frequently occurs in winter. Third rail power is used in the original Blue Line tunnels, which are smaller than most modern subway tunnels. Trains switch between the 2 modes at Airport Station, near where the line transitions between running in a tunnel and running above ground. Previously, the switchover was made underground at Maverick Station. The MBTA awarded the $174 million construction contract for the 94 cars in November 2001, with a total program cost of $200 million. The first deliveries were scheduled for January 2004, but ultimately delayed to 2007 due to manufacturing issues. The first set entered revenue service on February 20, 2008. The first 3 6-car trains began operating on September 15, 2008. By February 2009, 8 of 13 train sets used at rush hour were 6-car sets. 30/60 by November 2009, all service was with 6-car trains. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. See you next time.